Okay, so a couple of things. We're gonna talk about the printer. So the key thing with the printer is the only thing that you may have to do is change the paper. So you would know to change the paper when the error, there'll be a light flashing on the error and paper. So that's when you know it's time to change the paper. So pretty much what you do, take this cover off, of course, and push the button here. It opens up. And there's two parts to the paper. You have the sort of like the ink part, which is this little part here. And you just pop that out. All right. And then you have the paper part. So this part is just a tray that comes out. So the only thing about the paper is when you get a fresh roll, it has two little brown things right here. So you pop those out and you pop it in, the new fresh roll into here. Okay, so these two black things you never throw out. They're just the two on a fresh roll. You have two little brown caps and you take those off from the fresh roll of paper and you put these two in there and this sits back inside just like that. Now you take the paper and it says right here, paper insert with a blue arrow, and it goes through the two little metal pieces there and you sort of try to push it down. This part is a little bit tricky. Sort of push it down till you get through, and then at this point you're not going over the black part, you're going inside, so you're going down. And once you hear that noise, if you heard that, once you hear that noise, I'm going to pull back up a little, once you hear that beeping sound twice, that means you stop. And that's it. Alright, so remember that's in and down through the two metal parts, and then behind the black part, so you hear the two little beeping sounds, and you stop. The next thing you do the ink. So it's pretty much self-explanatory because there's only really one way you can put it. Yellow with yellow, so that goes, you put the white part in first, snap the yellow in, and then at that point, it's already set up the way it should be. And you just snap this white part in here into the gear there, and the other part you just snap in there, and that's pretty much it. And then you just close it up, and then usually what it does, it will print about I think 4 or 5 blank sheets of paper. Just gonna cut them and then it'll be ready. And there you go. And these ones you just throw it out, can't be used again. And then there's a 5th one, and then it's ready to go. And then you always want to maybe do a quick test to make sure it works, and then that's it.